Welcome back to our channel, Travel Explorers. In today's video, we have an exciting topic to discuss. Malaysia visit visas for residents of Dubai. If you've been dreaming of visiting the beautiful country of Malaysia, this video is for you. Before we start, it's important to note that visa regulations can change over time, so always double-check with the official embassy or consulate for the most up-to-date information. With that said, let's talk about the process of obtaining a Malaysia visit visa from Dubai. Step 1 is to gather all the necessary documents. You will need passport. Make sure your passport is valid for at least 6 months beyond your intended stay in Malaysia. Visa application form. You can download the form from the official website of the Malaysian embassy or consulate in Dubai. Fill it out carefully and accurately. Passport-sized photographs. Prepare a few recent passport-sized photos that meet the specifications outlined by the Malaysian embassy. Proof of accommodation. Provide details of your hotel reservation or any other accommodation arrangements you have made in Malaysia. Flight itinerary. Show proof of your round-trip flight booking from Dubai to Malaysia. Financial documents. Demonstrate your financial capability to support yourself during your stay in Malaysia. This can include bank statements, salary slips, or any other proof of income. Travel insurance. Obtain travel insurance that covers your entire stay in Malaysia, including medical expenses. Once you have gathered all the required documents, it's time to move on to step 2, submitting your application. You will need to visit the Malaysian embassy or consulate in Dubai in person to submit your visa application. Ensure that you have all the necessary documents organized and ready for submission. Present them to the embassy or consulate officer and pay the applicable visa fee. The fee may vary depending on the type and duration of your visit visa, so be sure to check the current fee structure. Step 3 is patiently waiting for the processing of your visa application. The processing time can vary, but it generally takes around 5 to 7 working days. During this time, the embassy will review your application and make a decision. It's important to note that the visa approval is subject to the embassy's discretion, and they may request additional documents or information if needed. Once your application is approved, you can move on to the final step. Step 4 is collecting your visa. Once your visa is approved, you will need to return to the embassy or consulate to collect it. Bring your passport and any other documents they may request. Pay attention to the designated collection timings and any specific instructions provided by the embassy. Congratulations! You now have your Malaysia visit visa in hand. Before you embark on your journey, make sure to double-check your visa details, including the validity period and any specific conditions attached to it. Now that you have your visa, it's time to pack your bags and get ready for an incredible adventure in Malaysia. From the bustling city of Kuala Lumpur to the breathtaking landscapes of Langkawi and the cultural richness of Penang, Malaysia has something for every traveler. Remember to respect the local customs, traditions, and laws during your visit. Malaysia is known for its warm hospitality, vibrant festivals, and mouth-watering cuisine. Immerse yourself in the diverse experiences this country has to offer, and create memories that will last a lifetime. That's it for today's video, fellow travelers. We hope this guide on obtaining a Malaysia visit visa from Dubai has been helpful to you. If you have any questions or need further information, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and destination guides. Until next time, safe travels and happy exploring.